Hey everyone, welcome back. If you've ever run into connection issues in Power BI, or maybe you just need to switch users or update a password, today's tutorial is for you. We're talking about how to reset saved credentials in Power BI, both in desktop, and as a quick bonus, I'll mention what to do if there's an issue with gateway connections. By the end, you'll be confident in clearing out old credentials and starting fresh, no more mysterious access errors holding you back. Let's jump straight into it. First, make sure you've got your Power BI desktop open and load up the PBIX file that's giving you trouble. This is important because credential settings are specific to each report, so you want to be working in the right file. Once you're in, look up at the top left of Power BI and find that File tab. From here, go down to Options and Settings, and then go ahead and click on Data Source Settings. Take your time, sometimes the menu can feel a bit hidden if you haven't used it much before. A window will pop up showing all the data sources your report is connected to. It might look like a list full of SQL servers, Excel sheets, APIs, or even SharePoint links, depending on how your report pulls its data. Find the source that's causing trouble. Maybe you recently changed your database password or your organization switched OAuth tokens. If you use several data sources, double-check you're selecting the right one. Now, if you want to completely wipe out the stored credentials for that source, hit Clear Permissions. Think of this like a reset button. Power BI forgets everything it knew about how you accessed the data before, which can solve issues where the program keeps trying old, outdated credentials without success. On the other hand, if you just need to tweak something, for example, updating a username, a password, or perhaps switching the privacy level, choose Edit Permissions instead. Here you get precise control over what Power BI knows. You can enter your new password, update the OAuth token for platforms like SharePoint or SQL, or adjust privacy settings that affect how sources interact. Don't worry if the options seem unfamiliar. A quick search will explain the basics, or feel free to drop your question in the comments and I'll try to help. Once you've cleared or edited the permissions, you'll need to reconnect to your data source. Power BI will prompt you for new credentials, just like when you first set up the report. This is your chance to make sure everything is up to date. Enter your new username and password or re-authenticate with an OAuth token if required. Sometimes this process takes a few moments, depending on your organization's setup. Now here's a quick tip. If you're troubleshooting gateway connections, that is, data refreshes that happen in the Power BI service, not desktop, you'll want to check the Manage Gateways section online. Credentials also live there, especially if you're connecting to on-premises data. Don't overlook this step if the issue isn't fixed in desktop. And one final note for you API users: if you're hooking up Power BI to services like SharePoint, SQL, or a web API, keep in mind you might need to re-authenticate using OAuth 2 after resetting credentials. Power BI tends to be picky about these secure tokens, so double-check what method your source requires. Alright, that's it. Resetting your credentials in Power BI isn't hard once you know where to look, and it's the key to keeping your reports running smoothly and securely. If you found this walkthrough useful, give the video a thumbs up, and please drop any questions or experiences in the comments. I love hearing from you and helping out. Make sure you hit subscribe and ring the bell for more clear, helpful Power BI tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.